are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos, and I thank you for liking and commenting. So I just want to give you a quick update as usual, as I always like to share some of my thoughts with you as at when due. Some people do feel that Babalawos, Oniseguns, or Herbalist, as you may wish to call, are all in all, or can do everything like God himself. So that is not right? Even though other religions speak like as if they have solutions to all problems and whatever, is not right. This life is all about division of labor. We have specialists in all fields of life. God gives everything. We have scientists, we have accountants, so we have people who are spiritual leaders as well. So the spiritual leaders are in charge of your spiritual problems. Like, for instance, some religions do go against what science says. So if that is it means that you are making yourself to be all in all. You cannot be all in all, because God, the Almighty God, is the all in all. So we are only trying our best to solve problems at our own pace, at our limited capacity that we can. So Babalawos, Herbalist, or any spiritual person, a leader, does not have or do not have solutions to all problems, right? So we are only trying our best to survive on earth. So any problem that you have, it may be something that can be addressed medically. For instance, maybe you are sick, so it's advisable for you to meet your doctor, run series of tests to know what is wrong with you. God creates everything, or God created everything, right? And inspires everyone. What I have, the gift I have, might not be the gift that you have, right? So if you have anyone telling you that it can solve all your problems, I don't think it's right. It's not right. There are some problems that you can solve by yourself. There are some problems that when you are calm to understand what is wrong with you, you can solve it by yourself. So it is when you have exhausted all means within you, or whatever you have done. Maybe you have done everything you needed to have done, and the problem persists. That is when you can go to a spiritual person like Babalawo, an herbalist, or whatever, to check, to investigate on your behalf, to know what is wrong with you, right? So it is not something that we can say, oh, I have solutions to all problems. Now, let's say, for instance, something that of recent, that there's a campaign that everyone should take a vaccine. I watched some videos online where some pastors say that their followers should not take the vaccine, right? That's very funny. Scientists came up with solution, or with a solution to a problem. People that we see as spiritual leaders are saying they should not go for it. It's very funny. Then why do you accept all other things that science provides? There are other things that science provides. So that means you should just ignore science completely. One of the hypocrisy of our fellow Yorubas who embrace all these foreign religions is that when they have a problem, they run to places for solution. Some of them even go to Babalawo or Onisegun for solution quietly, and after the problem is solved, which I know from the Babalawo, they go to their place of worship to thank their spiritual leaders there. They will never say, oh, I was in one Babalawos shrine where I got my healing. You know, they will never give that glory to the Babalawo. Some people do not want to associate themselves with Yoruba religion. I don't know why. Maybe they are not proud of their culture and traditions, but it's not good at all. You should be proud of whom you are. You should be proud of how God created you, right? You should be proud of your color. You should be proud of your ancestors, and you should be proud of the solutions God provides for us in our land. We have herbs that can heal you in our land as Africans that only an herbalist can prescribe it. But when you start to go to an herbalist and someone says, oh, you are going there, you are a fetish person, that you go to hell, you go to this, to that, that is hypocrisy, right? Herbalists make herbs to solve problems, health problems. So when it comes to spiritual problems as well, herbalist or Babalawo can solve your problems as well, right? So God gave us all of these spiritual leaders to solve our problems. And when your problem is solved through them, it is not bad to give glory, to thank God through them. You can thank God through them, right? So thanks for watching. I'm happy that you guys are encouraging me to produce more videos. Kindly keep encouraging me so that I can always share my thoughts and my ideas with you to solve your problems, if any, or to enlighten you, or to encourage or open your eyes to things that are hidden. Thank you and bye for now.